Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and in today's video we're taking a look at a brand new set of earbuds. We're taking a look at the 1More ComfoBuds. These were just released a couple days ago. Let's go ahead and check them out. Now the 1More ComfoBuds are one of the lightest earbuds that we reviewed on the channel this calendar year. And from an unboxing perspective, they're pretty simple. As soon as you unbox it, all you're going to have is a USB-C charging cable, the case with the earbuds inside. Now the case has USB-C charging in one side, has a LED in the front, and we'll go ahead and open this up like here. You'll notice that the LED will turn on, and then you have your earbuds. Now as soon as I remove these out of the case, you're going to notice that on the bottom, they have a cool LED right here that lights up at the very bottom. That's pretty neat. They're very AirPod-like. You see that they have the charging contacts there, and they have this little gel piece right here. Put them on so you can see what they look like. Okay, you can see it there and there. Very, very low profile, so you can see that they're really not that apparent that you have them on anyway. So I'm going to turn to the right and turn to the left so you can see what they look like. And I would say that I can shake my head, and I'm surprised that they don't fall out. So I think that little rubberized piece really helps. They're open ear model, so you're going to be able to hear everything that's going on around you, and you're also going to be able to hear the music. But if you do play these at a loud, I would say, volume, others are going to hear what you hear. Now from a battery life perspective, you can expect 4 hours of usage with the ComfoBuds, and then with the case you can expect a total of 18 hours. They are incredibly light, and I would say also, the touch button, the touch sensitivity that you have here on the stem works really, really well. So they're very, very responsive. And I do like the fact, as I mentioned, that you can use them independently. So next what we're going to do is we're going to go into our call quality test. And with these call quality tests, we've been adding more than just the traditional coffee shop noise. You're going to have in this test a call quality test that will include a office environment or quiet environment. We're going to also include a face mask call quality test. We're also going to include a dog barking, child crying, doorbell ringing test that's going to simulate more what is happening in your home as you're using these earbuds. And then we're also going to do the standard noise test. In addition to that, we'll have our audio test. So make sure you're wearing some headphones or earbuds so you can hear how these sound. These sound, as a spoiler, they sound really good. So let's get right to it. Now next we're going to do a call quality test of the 1More ComfoBuds in a quiet environment. As we take a look at our decibel readings, anywhere from 20 to 22 decibels in noise. It's going to switch. Now this is what the call quality would sound like making a phone call in a quiet environment with the 1More ComfoBuds. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is the test. Next, let's add some wind to this environment. Now this is what the ComfoBuds would sound like when making a phone call with wind in a quiet environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. This is what the ComfoBuds sound like with wind in a quiet environment. Now next we're doing the same call quality test, but this time in the quiet environment with the face mask on. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. This is what the ComfoBuds sound like with the face mask on. Now we're in a much noisier environment with the 1More ComfoBuds, and as you can see by our decibel readings, we're anywhere from 40 all the way up to 80 decibels in noise. What we're going to do is we're going to switch to the ComfoBuds, we'll stay quiet for a couple seconds and see how much noise is getting canceled, and we'll continue with the audio test. Let's go and switch. Now this is what the call quality would sound like when making a phone call with the 1More ComfoBuds in a noisy environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Next, we're going to go into an environment with household noises. Now we're using the 1More ComfoBuds, but with the child crying in the background. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. This is what the ComfoBuds sound like with a child crying in the background. Now we're in a noisy environment, but this time with a dog barking in the background. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Now we're using the 1More ComfoBuds with a doorbell ringing in the background. This is a test with the doorbell ringing in the background. Now next we're going to test our audio quality. So make sure you wear some headphones or some earbuds so you can hear exactly what we hear.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got
So guys, that wraps up our review of the 1More ComfoBuds. See you in the next one.